My dearest friend, as I sit down to pen this letter, I find myself drawn once again into the depths of contemplation, pondering the enigmatic puzzle that is MECFS. With each passing day, the mysteries seem to grow, and yet there is a glimmer of hope that in our quest for understanding, we shall find the keys to unlock the secrets that shroud this complex and misunderstood illness. MECFS, a name that carries with it the weight of 1,000 questions, a labyrinth of uncertainty where science and compassion converge. Myalgic encephalomyelitis, chronic fatigue syndrome, words that echo through the corridors of medical journals, whispered by countless doctors and researchers worldwide. And yet, for all its familiarity, it remains an enigma, a riddle that leaves us grasping for answers. In the pursuit of comprehension, we venture into the realm of medical exploration. Here, amidst the scientific intricacies, we find solace in knowledge. With each study, with every breakthrough, the veil that conceals the true nature of MECFS becomes thinner, revealing glimpses of its complexity. The medical aspects are vast, interwoven like the threads of a tapestry. The hallmark of MECFS, a fatigue that defies the bounds of ordinary weariness, leaves us grappling with the simplest of tasks. It affects our bodies, our minds, our spirits, all entwined in a dance of symptoms that vary from person to person. As I delve deeper, I uncover a multitude of potential causes, each a piece in this intricate puzzle. From viral infections that linger like echoes in the body's memory, to imbalances within the immune system, each clue points towards a greater understanding. And yet the full picture remains elusive, inviting further inquiry. In laboratories where dedicated minds toil, the journey of research is ceaseless. The flickering hope of discovering a definitive diagnostic test or a targeted treatment fuels the relentless pursuit of answers. In this domain, progress may be slow, but with each step forward, we draw nearer to illuminating the darkness that veils MECFS. And so, my dear friend, as I immerse myself in the exploration of this enigma, I find comfort in the knowledge that we are not alone. Countless souls, both patients and advocates, physicians and scientists, stand shoulder to shoulder in this pursuit of understanding. Together, we form a tapestry of determination, woven with threads of hope and resilience. As we continue on this journey, I'm reminded of the importance of compassion and empathy. For amidst the scientific intricacies, it is essential to remember that each individual living with MECFS carries a unique experience. Each life touched by this condition is a story worthy of compassion, understanding, and validation. As I conclude this letter, I extend my heartfelt gratitude for your unwavering support on this journey. Your friendship, like a gentle balm, soothes the weariness of uncertainty. In the embrace of your understanding, I find the courage to face each day, knowing that together we can navigate the labyrinth of MECFS. May the quest for knowledge lead us ever onward, and may our hearts be open to the beauty of resilience that thrives even amidst the challenges. I eagerly anticipate the day when we can share stories of triumph over the enigma that is MECFS, celebrating the collective strength that binds us. With all my love and gratitude, Elias Lindenwold, a fellow traveler on the path.